Hello guys, welcome back. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about algebraic expression and the part of removal of the brackets. So let's start with part A of the question. It says remove the brackets and simplify. So when you want to remove the bracket, you take what is inside the bracket, you multiply by what is outside the bracket. Now for example, part A we got 3 into bracket r plus s plus 4 into bracket r plus s. So you take 3 multiply by what is inside the bracket, that is 3 multiplied by r, you obtain a 3r, then a positive sign between plus, then 3 multiplied by s, that is a 3s, then close the first bracket. We are done with the multiplication of what is outside by what is inside plus the second bracket. 4 multiplied by r is a 4r plus 4 multiplied by s, that gets you a 4s. So now we need to remove the brackets now. So that becomes 3r plus 3s, then plus 4r, then plus and plus is a plus 4s. Now the next procedure here is collection of the like terms. So r's together and s together. So 3r plus 4r then plus 3s plus 4s. So 3r plus 4r, that gets you to be 7r plus 3s plus 4s, that gets you to be 7s. As simple as that. And that's the answer of part A. Now when you come to part B, 3y minus. So we got part B to be, let me just start here. It's going to be 3 minus y into brackets, then negative, open out the bracket, 2, this negative is equal to this negative now, the two negatives. So we take 2 multiplied by x, we have 2x, then minus, this minus, 2 multiplied by y is the 2y, then plus 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4. So the negative that was outside the bracket, that was before 2, is still retained. Now when you open the bracket, the negative sign before the bracket is going to affect whatever is inside the bracket. So the first bracket we have 3 minus y to bracket, then negative times 2x, that is minus 2x. Negative by negative is a positive 2y. Negative by positive is a negative 4. So it becomes 3 minus y, then minus 2x plus 2y minus 4. Now at this point we need collection of the like terms. So the like terms we have 3 and 4, which has no unknown. So we got 3, then minus 4. Those are with unknown terms. Then minus, then plus 2y, plus 2y, then minus y. We take the signs before, then minus 2x. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That's a negative 1. Then 2y minus y is y plus y minus 2x. That's the answer for the second one, part B. So it is just procedural. Then part C we got 1 over y to bracket 2y squared. So whatever is outside the bracket we multiply by what is inside the bracket. So 1 multiplied by 2y squared, the numerator, multiplied by 2y squared, we got part C. The numerator here is 1 multiplied by 2y squared, that gives you 2y squared over y. Because in the second part we don't have a denominator, so we just assume that everything is over 1. This one is over 1. Then again, 1 times 3ay, the sign is plus 3ay over y. So this 3ay multiplied by 1 is 3ay divided by y. Now we got y squared in the numerator, y in the denominator. So this is just the same as y power 1. This is y power 2. So these are 2 y's. Here we have 1 y. So this 1 y will go with one of the y's. So remember that here we got 2 y's. There are 2 y's. So 1 y will simplify 1 y. So we just have 1 y simplifying 1 y, because here we have 2 y. When you simplify 1 y, we are remaining with only 1 y. So we are going to have 2 raised to power 2y, because there were 2 y's. So 2 y's divided by 1 y, we have 1 y remaining in the numerator. Then plus this y, simplify this y, 3a. And that's the answer. As simple as that one. Then coming to part D, we have 3y minus, so again we open the bracket. This one is, we got 2 brackets here, the bigger bracket and the smaller bracket. So I just say minus 4 into bigger bracket 3. We can open the smaller bracket. So negative multiplied by y is minus y, because it's a negative here and y is a positive. The negative multiplied by positive is a negative, so negative 2. So we have opened the bigger bracket, the smaller bracket that is. So negative has affected the positive y, and negative has affected also positive 2. So here we got 3y. We now want to open the bigger bracket, minus into bracket 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12. 4 multiplied by negative y is minus 4y. 4 multiplied by negative 2 is a negative 8. So this negative that is outside the bracket is going to affect every sign that is inside the bracket, the positive and the negative. So we are going to have 3y negative by 12 by, that is negative 12, minus a negative multiplied by negative is a positive 4y. Then a negative by a negative is a positive 8. So again we do the collection of like terms. So 3y plus 4y plus 8 minus 12. So the answer is 7y. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. This is the final answer. Subscribe for more updates.